Alright guys, hello, welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playas del Coco, down at the south end of the beach today. Playas del Coco is about 45 minutes away from the Liberia International Airport. It's a big beach, very popular beach destination for vacationers coming here to Costa Rica. And I got a request for checking out this end of the beach in Coco Marindo. It's a condo development down here. It's pretty popular for staying at. I'm going to show you a bit of the area and some things to consider if you're going to choose the south end of the beach here in Playas del Coco. So, see, it's pretty busy. It's still tourist season. And right out there, there's a little island that is somewhat connected at low tide. You can get out there. There's somebody fishing there I can see. So this area, this end of the beach is pretty popular as it starts approaching sundown, and at sunset you'll see a lot of people out here just line fishing off the shore. And a lot of those guys down there are fishing now too. You can see there in the distance. I'm going to zoom in on those guys there. So the restaurant down here, but most of Playas del Coco is down that direction. So you probably walk about 5 minutes that way. You'll be at the main strip here in Playas del Coco. And it's pretty quiet down here. It's pretty nice. There's a smooth run out to the water, but the water down here I don't think is as nice as the other end of the beach, the north end. It's often a bit more murky, a bit more mud washed up, which is probably why it's better for fishing. So you can see it's almost sunset here in Playas del Coco. Let's see what it looks like from the drone here at this end of the beach. Now, as always guys, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here in Costa Rica. We travel a lot, we upload a lot of videos, so stay tuned for all those videos to better inform your vacation here in Costa Rica. And check out our blog at sightsandsounds.co for some written descriptions of what we talk about in these videos. Guys, so here we are up at the area of Coco Marindo. We're going to check it out. This way is going to be Coco. We're right at Coco Bay Estates across this bridge here. So Coco Marindo is right here in this plaza. And as you can see, there's a little plaza situation up here. Some stores. There's security at Coco Marindo, so you can see some people coming out of there. And as you can see from the drone footage, they got some pools in there. I stayed at Coco Marindo for a few nights. They're mostly, I think, little condos. They don't have like a full kitchen. Maybe some of them do. Definitely check to make sure you you know what you're renting. There's a really good pizza place right here too on the corner. It's a pizzeria. A barber shop here. There's a marina loft. And I've never heard anything bad about marina loft. I haven't stayed there. So this pizza shop right here is great. We've had this a bunch of times. It's really delish. Now to get to the beach, this is the road to Ocotal. So we're gonna head up this road. We're gonna drive there. Alright, and there we are, right back where we started here at the beach in Playas del Coco. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. Once again, this was brought to you by a comment, so be sure to leave comments and I'll try to get them in as I can. So from here in Playas del Coco, thanks again for joining. Be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification. Hope to see you soon here on your vacation. Thanks for watching. Bye now.